To transfer cryptocurrency from Coinbase to Coins.ph, you will need to have an account on both platforms. Start by logging into your Coinbase account and going to the dashboard. Click on the Send and Receive button. Then select the cryptocurrency you want to transfer, such as Bitcoin or Ethereum. Next, go to your Coins.ph account and click on the cryptocurrency you want to receive. Then click on the Receive button. This will generate a unique wallet address that you will use to receive the cryptocurrency. Copy the wallet address from Coins.ph and go back to your Coinbase account. Paste the wallet address into the recipient field. Then enter the amount of cryptocurrency you want to transfer. Make sure to double-check the wallet address and the amount before confirming the transaction. Coinbase will prompt you to review the transaction details, including the amount, fees, and wallet address. Verify that all the information is correct. Then confirm the transaction. The transfer process may take a few minutes to an hour, depending on the blockchain network. Once the transfer is complete, you can check your Coins.ph account to verify that the cryptocurrency has been received. It is essential to note that transfer fees and minimum transfer amounts may apply, so make sure to check the fees and limits before initiating the transfer. By following these steps, you can successfully transfer cryptocurrency from Coinbase to Coins.ph. Always make sure to use the correct wallet address and to verify the transaction details before confirming the transfer. This will help you avoid any potential errors or losses.